to the Time Travel Store.
Hey, Sandy, look, me Grunt just got a new iPhone. Cool phone.
Wow, that's nice. It will be great if we can add your mobile phone number and email to your website so that people can contact you.
Sandy clever.
All right, let's get started then. So previously, we used the UL and LI tag to add in the information of the mammoth milk. Now we will add in Grunt's contact details with the anchor tag. This tag means anchor. It defines a hyperlink, which is used to link one page to another. Anyway, hyperlink simply means link. Usually the anchor tag comes with the href attribute. href specifies the URL of the page the link goes to.
Sandy, link to me Grunt Cave book.
Sure. So now let's type in Grunt's Cave Book profile URL. Then we name the link as Grunt the Caveman. Now let's preview the HTML file. There we go. When you click on the link Grunt the Caveman, we will go to Grunt's Cave Book profile page. Perhaps we can try to make the page open in a new tab. Go back to the text editor. Type in target equals open quotation marks underscore blank close quotation marks. Target specifies where to open the link. So this time, the link is open in a new tab. Now let's continue to add Grunt's email. Now we will use the keyword mail to. Mail to will link us to an email address. In this case, it will link us to Grunt's email address. I have also added a break tag where it will insert a single line break. Let's go back to the browser and give it a try. Click on the link. Then a new mail window will pop up. Looking good. Let's add Grunt's phone number now. We have added tel. Tel simply means telephone. Then type in the phone number. We will name the link as Call Us Now.
Wow!
Finally, we can preview what we have done so far. You will realize when you click on Call Us Now, it doesn't have any action because it only works on mobile phone. When you are using the mobile phone and tap on the link, it will bring you to the call function. Here we are. We have set up a simple website for Grunt.
Thank you, Sandy.
Next time, we are going to style and beautify the website. So remember to visit the Time Travel Store when you are free. Toodaloo!
Booga booga.